How to take a screenshot on iPhone. Subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'll show you easy 3 screenshot methods. First method, press power button and volume up button at a time. See, screenshot has taken. Here's the second method. Open settings of your phone. Tap on accessibility. Scroll down a little and tap on touch. Then tap on assistive touch. Now turn on this toggle. In custom actions section, tap on single tap. Select screenshot from this list. Now tap on the accessibility shortcut button. See, screenshot has taken. Here is the third method. Open accessibility from your settings. Scroll down a bit and tap on touch. Go to the bottom and tap on back tap. Then tap on double tap. Select screenshot from this list. Now double tap on back side of your phone. See, screenshot has taken. And that's it.